Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell another friend to tell another friend to subscribe to your girl's channel. TikTok definitely knows how to get the girlies to spend. So while as they're scrolling, they keep pushing these different products in my face, and I eventually gave in and we ordered some products. Let's see what they are giving. Okay. So first up, we have some nail tips, some soft gel tips. Listen, I'm tired of spending $100 and so forth on my nails that last only for a week or two. So I decided, like, okay, let me try do my nails myself. Let's see, because your girl got talent. Let's see if nails were one of them. Anyways, I ordered some gel tips along with some other products I got. And then up we had files, because you cannot want to do your nails without no nail file. What you're going to use, I ordered a set of 12 nail files. Yeah. Next on the list is a SD card reader. I had one previously that I got from Amazon, but it wouldn't read with my iPhone. And this one that I got is like a waste because it won't work with my phone either. But this is up close. If anybody wants it, comment down below and I'll definitely give it to you. If you have a camera, perfect for that. Okay. So I have a Sony camera, and that is the whole purpose of this SD card reader, which not making no sense because it's not working. So as I said before, you want it, comment down below and I'll send it to you. These nail files, I really love these over the black ones, and that is why I got a count of 12. This is an up close view of what it looks like. Okay. Next on the list we have this paper towel holder. It's not given what the picture was given, but okay, it was only $1 something, I think. Next up we have this nail clip, because as you see the tips before, they're super long and your girl don't do those long stuff, so we got some nail clips to cut them down. Next up we have this eyeliner stencil, and because I'm trying to learn to do my own makeup, I'll find stuff that makes it way easier, and this is one of them. We're gonna try it out, and I'll definitely do another video and let you guys know how these products work. Okay. Then we have these phone suction holders coming a set of 3, and it definitely works phenomenal. I have one on my phone currently, so yeah. And then we have the nail stamp. I remember when I was in Jamaica, my coworker, she used to always use this, and I'm like, okay, want to get some design? Let's get the nail stamp. Then we have the nail drill, electric nail drill. And guys, listen, though I show you that we got the files before, we need the electric nail drill because we don't plan on the buffing all day long, you know. But definitely, if you're thinking about doing your own nails, get yourself an electric nail drill. It's the love that we long for to bring us together, make the broken things new. God, we want more of you, we longing for you. Next up we have the famous TikTok phone light. Guys, let me tell you, TikTok pushed this thing for months and months, and I finally gave in and I got it. And let me tell you, I'm so excited about this because I have one that I got from Best Buy, but that one only works on my camera. So I was like, okay, let me get this. And it was very inexpensive. I think I paid like $7, just say $8 for it. Really, really affordable. So let's turn it on and see what it is giving. Look at that. You see the difference? And it comes with 3 different light settings. It's giving, right? Take my picture. Ooh.
Doing some changing, oh God. There is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light. Live a life that shows through the darkness. The fire burning in the night.
I feel like out of all the products, this one is my favorite because sometimes when I'll be going out at nighttime and I want to be taking some pictures, listen, we don't have no light, so we have to scrap that. So I'll definitely be taking this light with me everywhere I go.
For you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah. I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open. I hear the cries of the broken. I know they were made for more than this. I see all the fire and smoke, and your hearts are losing hope. Yeah, I know it's hard. I wanna be a shining light. Live a life that shows through the darkness. The fire burning in the night. Be a hope for a world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that He showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna.
Guys, now you see the importance of this, the nail clipper that I showed you first. Look how these nails are long. Heck no. I'll definitely not be wearing them that long, but I was just testing them out and see. Because at first they had looked so small, but they have size to fit my fingers.
You can have all the world. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light.
So these are some extra product that I got, and it's like a nail stamp. We got the stencils, as you can see before, not a stencil but the nail stamp plate for the designs. We have nail polish already. We have some extra nail files. Yeah, we got the buffer, of course. We got some pens for Bible study. As I said, we got some foot scrub. We got buffer or nail smoother, whatever they want to call it. And I got some pill organizers because one of the ones that we had previously broke, so we got some pill organizers.